辛ネギのショーで辛ネギ増量に。
That was Napoleon-ken, a ramen shop that is indeed named after the famous French guy, but besides that, well, it has no relationship to France or French imperialists whatsoever. This shop actually serves a quite interesting ramen style that is adapted from a style of udon, or serving style of udon, that is called Kamatama, which is essentially just hot noodles right out of the boiling pot, then topped with a raw egg or raw egg yolk, depending on the style, the shop, and maybe a few cracks of black pepper, a little bit of shoyu tare, sorry. And then you mix it all up. Recently, kamatama or kamabata has become popular as well, where you also add a big piece of butter to let it all melt up. And that's essentially it. That's the original style, and here they're pairing and mixing it all up with really thick, chunky and curly ramen noodles that are just a pleasure to eat. Really, really good. Probably one of the best Mazesoba noodles I had so far. Definitely my top 3, 5, whatever. And they also add quite a bit of green onion, the pieces of green onion that have been soaked in a sesame oil. They also have the option for spicy sesame oil. Actually has started raining a bit, but gonna quickly finish this review. And that's essentially the main dish, or like the basic dish. You get a piece of chashu there, you get some very nice menma there as well, and you're supposed to mix it all up. But from there, it's really open season for whatever flavor you're going for. They have a lot of stuff on the counter to make the bowl completely your own, adapted to your liking. Just to name a few things: raw, fresh garlic, ginger. They have a kind of a really spicy nira, so kind of garlic chives that they call baka nira, which I think points to the incredible spiciness that you have here. And now a train is passing. Wonderful. And you have like so many things. They have black pepper there, of course. You have blended up katsuo powder. You have, can't even name all the things anymore, but there's a ton of things that you can add. I also then saw somebody close their meal with a soup body, which means they give you a little bit of dashi to finish the rest of your tare, the rest of your bowl at the end, to turn it in kind of like a soup. I got the kaidama, which I can really recommend. They bring out some really thin noodles, more like Hakata style, really low hydration, that they boil a little bit on the shorter side, so they're quite hard. And they come served in a niboshi soup that is actually so good. I wanted to actually get like a whole bowl of that. Maybe next time I'll check the menu a little bit more in detail, see if they actually have that. But basically you can just eat it like that. Or what you're supposed to do is, like, there's actually a rat walking past me. Fantastic. Just adds to the flavor. That brought me a little bit out of the concept, but yeah, a huge rat over there. And what you're supposed to do is then, you know, take the noodles, take the niboshi soup and add it to the leftover soup, the leftover bits at the end of your mazesoba bowl, and then mix it all up, and you get like this really nice finish to your bowl that swings the flavor completely around. Completely different experience to what you had before. But again, you can then from there adapt it to whatever you like. You still have all the stuff on the counter. Really a very versatile place, and I can see myself coming here again and again and again, because you can just vary it up, like mix it up so much. Like there is really no end to the possibilities. And I'm excited to see that this shop actually has made it into the top 3, I think, of Ramen Walker. So I think it's Tokyo's #3 shop, if I remember the ranking correctly. If not, it's definitely up there and highlighted in the latest Ramen Walker episode, Ramen Walker magazine. So yeah, definitely worth a visit. Really easy access from Shibuya. And I think that's all from me for today. Thanks for watching, and yeah, maybe go out and check out Napoleon-ken. And if you want to hear me talk more about ramen, check out the Ramen in Japan podcast. And if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.